Once per day, the filter pan needs to be cleaned and reassembled with a new filter, and when done on a daily basis, this will help you avoid situations where express filters slow down or stop altogether. In this video, I'll show you how to do this and give you a couple of tips at the same time. So let's get started. The first thing that is really important is to let the filter pan cool before doing this procedure. Once it is cool, pull the filter pan out just a little ways and let the oil from the connection tube drain back into the opening on the top of the pan. As a pro tip, don't put any paper towels in the tube as they can be pushed back in and sucked up in the pump and can be costly to remove. Remove the cover and remove all the components from inside the filter pan, discard the filter, and empty the crumb basket into the trash. Clean the inside and outside of the filter pan thoroughly. And as a pro tip, you can also run water through this inlet screen to clean out any debris that may be in this section too. Just make sure to do this over a sink and shake as much water out of the tube as you can and dry the filter pan thoroughly. Water in this pan will both soak the filter, causing oil not to pump through it, and the water will also break down oil. Now it's time to get all your cleaning components from the dishwasher and dry them thoroughly. Now you can start putting them back by inserting the filter screen in the bottom of the filter pan. Now let's stop here for a moment as I'm going to talk more about filter options and how to install each type. Like we said in other videos, we recommend using Henny Penny filters for optimal filtering results. If you use our 12076 Smart Filter paper, place this in the filter pan and then install the filter hold down ring, making sure the paper rolls around the outside of the ring. If your paper is folded under this, it can allow crumbs to enter the filter pump and clog it up. If you use the 12074 Smart Filter pad, drop this in the filter pan, it doesn't matter which side is up, and then place the filter ring on top of this. And lastly, if you use the 12090 Prime Filter HD filter pad, then make sure to face the side up that says this side up in the pan and place the filter ring on top of this. After the filter is installed, install the crumb basket and the filter pan cover. Lastly, do a quick inspection of the filter pan O-rings. Replace any with part number 175860 that are missing, damaged, or excessively worn to prevent oil not pumping issues. This should get replaced quarterly, and you can see our quarterly maintenance video for more information. Wipe on some fresh oil to these O-rings to keep them from sticking when you install and remove the filter pan. And that's all there is to it. Insert the filter pan back underneath the fryer and it'll be ready to use for the next day.